Today we're diving into something absolutely insane. Something that doesn't just redefine luxury motorhomes, but completely dominates the expedition category.
Welcome back to PrimeDrive Reviews 2026. If you love seeing the most extreme, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Today, we are standing in front of something that completely redefines what a motorhome can be. This is the ultra-luxury Ford motor-inspired Hyper Mansion Motorhome, a gigantic 8x8 expedition land yacht that blends heavy-duty American truck DNA with next-level luxury engineering. From the very first glance, you can feel the bold and muscular influence of Ford Motor Company in every single line of this machine. Let's begin with the overall presence. This motorhome is extremely long and ultra-wide, stretching far beyond traditional RV proportions. The towering stance, combined with its multi-axle layout, gives it a dominant road presence that feels closer to a luxury armored command vehicle than a recreational motorhome. The 8x8 configuration instantly tells you this is not built for ordinary travel. This is built for cross-continental luxury expeditions. Now focus on the exterior paint. The rich metallic bronze-brown finish is one of the most striking elements of this build. Under showroom lighting, you can see subtle gold metallic flakes dancing across the bodywork. It's not just brown. It's a deep copper-infused tone with a high-gloss clear coat that creates a mirror-like reflection. When light hits the sculpted panels, it produces depth and dimension that elevate the vehicle into ultra-premium territory. This is the kind of paint finish you expect on a concept hypercar, not a motor coach of this size. Move on to the front. Fascia and the Ford inspiration becomes even more obvious. The enormous chrome mesh grille is clearly influenced by modern Ford Super Duty trucks. It's wide, bold, and unapologetically aggressive. At the center sits an illuminated oval badge that reinforces the brand-inspired identity. The grille is framed by sharp C-clamp-style LED matrix headlights that give the motorhome a futuristic yet rugged expression. The lighting signature alone makes it instantly recognizable at night. The hood is sculpted with strong power bulges, adding muscular tension to the front end. The blacked-out panoramic windshield stretches wide across the upper front section, creating a sleek contrast against the bronze body. Its angular contours sharpen the overall look while also giving the driver an expansive field of vision. Chrome accents on the lower bumper and integrated LED fog elements complete the commanding front profile. Move on to the side profile, and this is where the scale truly becomes overwhelming. The body proportions are incredibly long, with a continuous, panoramic tinted glass strip running along the side. The triple rear axle configuration supports the 8x8 drivetrain, and those multiple heavy-duty wheels with gloss black and chrome finishes reinforce its expedition-ready character. Chrome side skirts with integrated LED accent lighting add elegance to what would otherwise be a purely industrial silhouette. The flush entry door integrates seamlessly into the bodywork, maintaining the clean design language. Subtle chrome beltline trim adds visual length, while the roofline remains smooth and slightly tapered for aerodynamic efficiency. This motorhome doesn't just look large, it looks engineered for authority. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. PrimeDrive Reviews brings you the most extreme luxury builds of 2026, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's step inside through the illuminated entry stairs. The transition from exterior power to interior luxury is immediate. You're welcomed by ambient LED lighting, brushed aluminum handrails, and premium leather-wrapped panels. The bronze theme continues inside, blending with soft beige and cream tones to create a warm and opulent environment. Move on to the main lounge area, and this feels like a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. Large reclining leather sofas in tan and cream dominate the space. The stitching detail matches the bronze exterior theme. High-gloss wood panels with copper undertones line the walls. Above, indirect ambient lighting creates a soft glow that enhances the sense of space. A massive, ultra-thin entertainment display sits across from the seating area, framed by subtle, illuminated branding inspired by Ford's premium design language. On one side panel, elegant metallic lettering reads PrimeDrive Reviews, giving this particular build a custom showcase identity. Panoramic side windows flood the cabin with natural light, while automated blinds provide privacy at the touch of a button. Move further toward the master bedroom, and the luxury continues. A king-size bed sits at the center, with a leather headboard embossed with a Ford-inspired emblem. Soft integrated LED lighting outlines the headboard and ceiling. Bronze accent. Wall panels tie the theme together. Premium silk bedding, hidden storage compartments, and full-length wardrobes ensure that this space feels like a permanent luxury residence rather than temporary accommodation. Move on to the bathroom area, and you'll find a spa-like atmosphere. Marble-style walls in white and beige tones contrast beautifully with bronze metallic fixtures. A glass-enclosed rain shower sits to one side, while a floating vanity with underlit cabinetry enhances the modern aesthetic. A backlit mirror subtly features Ford-inspired detailing etched into the glass. The spacious layout ensures comfort even while traveling long distances. Next, the kitchen area continues the exterior-inspired theme. The cabinets are finished in a metallic bronze-brown lacquer that mirrors the outside paint. Black marble countertops with subtle gold veining elevate the design. Integrated premium appliances, induction cooktop, concealed refrigerator, and soft-close cabinetry make this kitchen both functional and luxurious. Under-cabinet warm LED lighting adds depth and richness during nighttime use. A massive curved digital display cluster stretches across the dashboard. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features an illuminated central badge. Bronze stitching flows across the dash and door panels. The captain's seats are finished in premium tan leather with multiple adjustment modes. From this vantage point, the panoramic windshield provides a commanding road view worthy of an 8x8 expedition giant. Now let's talk about performance. With an 8x8 drivetrain, advanced suspension tuning, and reinforced chassis engineering, this motorhome is designed to handle rough terrains, mountain highways, and long-haul travel with stability and confidence. The multi-axle system improves weight distribution, while air suspension ensures a smoother ride despite its enormous size. In terms of expected pricing, this level of customization and engineering does not come cheap. Entry-level variants of this Hyper Mansion concept would likely start around $1.5 million. Mid-spec luxury editions with upgraded interior materials and enhanced technology could approach $2 million. Fully customized flagship variants with bespoke finishes and advanced off-road systems could easily exceed $2.50 to $3 million depending on configuration. This vehicle isn't just about transportation. It's about presence, exclusivity, and ultimate freedom. It represents the fusion of American heavy-duty truck heritage with ultra-luxury motorhome innovation. If you love extreme luxury builds, like this Ford motor-inspired Hyper Mansion, make sure you subscribe to PrimeDrive Reviews right now. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Tell us if you would take this 8x8 land yacht across continents. And stay tuned because 2026 is bringing even more insane hyper motorhomes to the channel. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Tell us if you would take this 8x8 land yacht across continents. And stay tuned because 2026 is bringing even more insane hyper motorhomes to the channel. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Tell us if you would take this 8x8 land yacht across continents. And stay tuned because 2026 is bringing Even more insane hyper motorhomes to the channel. Even more insane hyper motorhomes to the channel.